Welcome to the next part of this exercise. So let's carry on and design next a set of purlins. A process which, as you may assume, is quite similar to the several steps we just performed for obtaining this other set of beams. Here we have then this first element, and from which, as you may assume, we can begin obtaining the remaining purlins. Moreover, and as we did in the previous lesson, let's continue by adding the corresponding set of connections that should be placed across this element. So we can then copy both this element and its connections over the length of the top chords of the structure. Here we have the first group of purlins that we need, and which, worth noting, feature also all their corresponding connections. And with this, we have completed the design and placement of purlins in our structure. Therefore, we may further develop this model and add next a set of bracing systems.